Alright guys, here is the Audi starter. It's a used starter, came out of a low mileage car, what they told me. It's a little bit beat up here. That's what they're working on, taking out of the Audi. I understand it's really hard to take that out because I have done it before. It takes forever. You have to take a motor mount out and you have to take a front right wheel off. It's a lot of work involved to get this started out of the car and replace it. But still, I want to go with the good used starter, OEM one, original part, rather than with the brand new aftermarket. So this is the case what I have right now, but still, if you do replace them, you have to make sure the starter works. Even though they guarantee you, promise it's working, you still want to test it because it's a lot of work replacing this thing. So the best way I figured out to test this, you gotta have a jumper cable. Doesn't have to be this kind. This is just something I have laying around. You can use a regular car battery and just have a jumper cables that we connect to. So you would put the negative to negative. This is your basically connects to your engine. That's where your ground is. That's where you clamp the ground. Then red goes right here. If you see this little bolt, this is where your battery 12 volt positive connects and constantly has a power to it. And this over here is a solenoid wire. It has a one plug in it. That the solenoid wire, when you turn the key, jumps these two things together and sends the power to starter and spins your engine. So this thing would pop out and spin and on a flywheel, and then will start your engine. So I connect the positive here, as you see. I also have this little guy, voltmeter. You can buy them on Amazon, any car parts store, whatever. So this actually simulates your key. You also have three alligators clip. You have a positive and negative. So negative, of course, will connect here on the negative, as you see, and then positive will connect here on positive, as you see. Right there on the same bolt. And the light turns on. You see it's powered up. Then you take this small alligator clip, plug them right here or up here. It's a negative cable. Then you will take this little tank. If you see that little prog in there that I was showing you earlier, it's just a single. There's no two wires in there, just one. So this little tip will touch that. So that's solid now. Now if I press this button here, this little gear will pop out and spin. So there you go. You don't want to run for long. That's actually how you test it. So in this case, we have a good working starter. But how long it's gonna last? No one knows. Thanks for watching.